So what a man need to do to get a girl like you?
Be hot getting us. I'm gonna need my hair done, my nails done. I'm gonna need a car. I'm gonna need an apartment. So at least 300,000 a month.
So him get in return?
What do you mean? Him get me?
That sound like a bad deal.
Coming at love not even real again, bro. You have to pay for love. It's only at about 200,000 for you to come and see me. Crazy. Anytime the man a message me now, something serious. So bro, how's life? How's the wife?
You know, life is good. God just have blessed me same way. And Nail is still one of the biggest blessings in my life. And you know, that's exactly what I want to talk to you about.
So what that?
So when are you going to settle down, find a good woman, and start a God-blessed family?
Well, look if you find a good woman still in them because it look like real love that exists again. It's like you have to pay for love.
Let me tell you this. Real love is still out there. But it only shows up to the man who is ready. You need to be clear on the type of life you want to live and the type of woman you want. And then become the man that lives that life, that is aligned with that vision. Let your daily thoughts, your daily beliefs, your daily actions become aligned with that vision. And the right one will meet you at that place.
Yeah, but why sick up with one woman for your whole life when I can just have one every day?
Yeah, you can always do that. But the thing is, that's like connecting a bunch of receipts and never owning the business. One real woman, she builds your nail, she builds your home, she builds your legacy. The rest just leave you when the hype done.
True, we are talking, bro. Bro, how would a girl beside Nella in the green cardigan? Pretty, bro.
Oh, that's the type you like. That's Sam Warner. Don't be fooled by the pretty smile. She not tolerate foolishness, bro.